Let's be honest, most make money online videos waste your time. They promise quick riches, but show nothing real. Today, I'll reveal 5 proven ways people are actually earning money online in 2025. You can start from home with just a phone or laptop. And trust me, the 5th one might change your life. Welcome to Silent Hustle, where we turn time into money. If you're ready to build real online income, hit that subscribe button. Because everything here is practical, simple, and tested. Now, let's jump straight in. Number 1. AI freelancing. Artificial intelligence is the new gold rush. You don't need to be an expert. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are full of clients paying for simple AI-based work such as writing articles, product descriptions, or YouTube scripts. Someone needs 10 product descriptions for an online store. You use ChatGPT or Claude to generate them, polish the text a bit, deliver, and get paid. People are charging $20 to $100 per project that takes less than an hour. Create a Fiverr gig titled, "I will write AI-optimized SEO articles fast." Use ChatGPT plus Grammarly to improve quality and watch orders come in. Number 2. YouTube and TikTok automation. Short videos are dominating the internet right now. You can make faceless videos using free clips from Pexels, Pixabay, or CapCut templates. Post them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Then add affiliate links in your bio or pinned comment. Create a short video showing a cool productivity tool. Add your affiliate link and you earn every time someone buys. People are making $500 to $2,000 per month this way. Focus on viral topics like money, motivation, gadgets, or AI tools. Use captions like, "This app replaced my full-time job." Number 3. Affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. But the secret is this: go for recurring commission programs. These pay you every month, not just once. Websites like PartnerStack, ClickBank, and Digistore24 have such offers. Imagine one person signs up for a $30 tool, and you get $10 every month. After 10 people, that's $100 monthly, passive income. Make short tutorial videos explaining how the product works. Upload them to YouTube and pin your affiliate link in the first comment. Number 4. Sell digital products. This is one of the most powerful online income streams. You create once, then sell it forever. It could be an ebook, Notion template, printable planner, or online course. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Create a PDF called 50 ChatGPT Prompts for Productivity. Sell it for $5. Sell 1,000 copies and you've made $5,000. Use Canva to design it, ChatGPT to write it, and Gumroad to sell it. Then promote it through short TikTok or YouTube videos. Number 5. Remote jobs and micro hustles. Not everyone wants to build a business, and that's okay. Websites like Remotasks, Clickworker, and Appen hire people for small tasks. You can test websites, label data, or transcribe audio. You get paid for every task you complete. Combine this with one of the earlier methods, and you could earn $10 to $100 per day. Try usertesting.com. They pay $10 for every short test you complete. So, which one will you start today? Comment below, I'll reply and help you set it up. And if you want me to show step-by-step tutorials for these methods, hit like and subscribe. Because in my next video, I'll reveal the easiest method that made me $100 in a single day. Stay focused, stay consistent, and remember, your phone can make you rich if you use it right.